VC01 cordless vacuum. This is probably my most prized possession at the moment, and I'm going to show you guys all that this beautiful vacuum has to offer. So, first things first, this is my cordless vacuum. It looks great with my outfit, and it could look great with yours too. It is so awesome. It's rechargeable. All you have to do is plug it in there and plug in the cord to any USB. I literally plug it into the same dock that charges my phone, and I'll just charge it, once a week, and it lasts that long. I live in an apartment and have hardwood floors, so sweeping is a must, and especially if you do have hardwood floors, it gets dirty really easily, even if you are very clean. I live by the beach, so there's so much sand in my house, but a vacuum makes such a difference. So this guy, again, is rechargeable. It comes with a little silicone clip that I have on a wall, so it just stands up propped, and it also comes with 2 extra heads, so you can adjust it. And it also has 2 speeds, so it has the regular section and then like a double section. So we're gonna turn it on, and it honestly doesn't sound too loud, which is really nice. So I'm just gonna vacuum. Works great on hardwood floors. Seriously love it. Absolutely obsessed. The vacuum. And now I'm just getting carried away vacuuming. This is so again, this is the DEERMA cordless vacuum. So cute. It's white. I can literally hold it up with one finger. It's really lightweight. It's nothing too heavy duty. It's cordless, which is amazing because you can walk all around your house without having to grab the cord, move the cord, plug it in, all that stuff. It's so awesome. It's also on sale at the moment for $44.19, which is insane. And it seriously creates a cleaner and more comfortable life, which is its slogan. And I totally believe that it's true because I can attest to that. So I would definitely check out everything that I've showed you guys today. And I'm going to present to you everything one more time just so that you can see it. So we have the Kick Flares by Lovefool, again for $44.20. And we also have my sweater, the Lorraine Off the Shoulder sweater, which is what I'm wearing at the moment. And we also have the Divine Duo Lip and Cheek, which is by Lila B, which is on sale at the moment for $39.10, as well as my Bear Portable Blender, which again, here it is. So awesome. $20.39, literally $20. Can't get a better deal for a portable blender. The Renfo massage gun, which is right here and on sale for $59.40. This guy is so amazing. We also have the last but not least DEERMA cordless vacuum, and I seriously can't tell you guys enough how much this vacuum is amazing. And I hope you guys like everything that I presented to you, and I hope that you enjoy my choices. I'm always having so much fun doing this on VeriShop with you. So if you'd like to ask any more last minute questions, we are out of time, but I can always answer a few more if you guys have any. And thank you again for tuning in. So happy to be doing this, and I will be back next week with some great products that I have coming. So I'd love for you guys to watch along, share with your friends, tag VeriShop, and hope you all have a wonderful day and a great rest of your week.